Okay, guys, look, I'm actually confused right now. I don't understand something right now. If you know anything about technical analysis, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think is happening. So I would love to read your opinion on it. Um, I am genuinely, honestly confused about what is happening with Tesla right now. I don't understand. Uh, before I get into that, I want to talk about one thing. I'm really excited about this. So you guys know that I've been doing Apex, or I've been trading with Apex Trader Funding. It's a prop firm, and I have those 4 accounts. So if you follow me from last video or however many videos, I always talk about my accounts and what I'm doing and how I've been struggling and all that. But so you know that I got 4 accounts coming. They should get here tomorrow or Wednesday, I think, and I'll be able to start those and try to make some money with those. But today I actually I talked to my dad over the weekend, and he suggested that I try to get a few more since they have an 80% sale going on right now. So I went ahead and tried to get 3 more today. Well, I got paid for 3 more today, and I actually passed those accounts. So I'm actually really excited about that. So now, once I get those next week, and God willing, I can hold on to the 4 that I'll have this week. I'll have like 7 accounts, $50,000 accounts, which is pretty insane. And I never really thought that I would get to that point as fast as I have, right? However, the work isn't done yet. I haven't made any money yet. I got to get the paid accounts for those, and then I have to start making money, and then we'll go from there. So I'm not gonna get too excited. But anyway, I want to get into Tesla, guys. I am truly, truly stumped. And what I mean by that is simply, you see these red lines that I have drawn here. Typically, for me, that symbolizes a bull flag to me, or a bull pennant. Either one. I think maybe more of a pennant than a flag. But yeah, so this looks like a bull flag to me. However, or bull pennant. However, we were dropping, right. Let me get the tool going. We were dropping down like this. Okay. When you're dropping and you go into like a pennant formation, typically that is like a bearish pattern, right? Like if I go here, look at bearish pennant pattern, right? Look, if you follow my cursor, we're dropping down like this, right? We're making that pennant pattern, right? And then we fall. You see what I'm saying? The bullish pattern is the opposite. You're going up. You follow my cursor. We're going up here. Bam, bam. We make that pennant pattern, and then we go up. Well, so here's the thing. We're dropping, but not only are we dropping, we do happen to find a base here. We find this base here. We start to go up, and then we're making this pattern here. So I'm inclined to think that we're going to continue going up. But the only thing is that I don't know how to read that. I don't know if this is actually, would this be considered a bull pennant, or would this be considered a bearish pennant, right? And if it makes sense to me that this would be a bearish pennant, because I still feel as if we have some more downside to go in Tesla personally. However, if I go to the market, which we're going to go to right now, clearly, it's very clear to me, this is either a rounded I can't talk. This is either a rounded bottom pattern right here. See, rounded, that's the rounded bottom part, and then we continue to go up. Or this is a cup and handle pattern where we go like this, bam, we reject a little bit, and then bam, we go up like that, right? That is the cup and handle pattern. So either way, both of those patterns, whichever this is, both of those patterns are bullish, right? And so if they are bullish, then that would almost tell me that Tesla is wanting to also go up as well. However, we know that Tesla can do its own thing, right? We've seen that plenty of times where the market is doing one thing and Tesla decides to do another thing, right? So is this a moment where Tesla is just going to do what it wants to do, regardless of what the market wants to do? Because I want to say the market is going back up, right? We are in a bull market. I don't want to forget that we're all in the bull market, but right now it feels as if Tesla still has a little more downside left in it. However, if this is a bullish pennant, then we're definitely going up, right? Back up, right? To retest, or not to to retest this 213 to 214 area, and we're going up to 220, right? Which makes sense because I felt we were gonna go to 220 pretty soon anyway, but I just thought we would see more downside, at least to this 180 area. I thought we would go down to before we tried to bounce back up to go up to 220. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I am really really stumped with this one, and I need y'all's help to help me understand. Again, we do YouTube videos, but don't mean we know everything, and doesn't mean that we know uh, half of everything, right? So if you guys can kind of chime in and let me know what you think, I'd love to read your opinion on what you think is happening with Tesla. I actually am really confused. My opinion is, I think this may be a bull flag, and I think we may break out of this thing. But if this is a bearish pennant, that's kind of where I'm kind of like, well, this could be a bearish pennant, and we just drop. We come down, from here, and which would make sense to me because I feel like we have more downside, which I said that already. I'm repeating myself. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. Guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in, for listening to me ramble on about this stuff. Again, I love to hear, or I love to read your comments on what you think is happening down below. And I think that's going to be it. Oh, Apex Trader Funding is having an 80% sale right now. I think tomorrow is the last day, or I'm not sure exactly what time the time frame is for you to get in, but it's 80% off on all the accounts, guys. You can get a $50,000 account for like $30, which is incredible, right? So it's normally, I think, $167. So you can get it for $30 right now if you want to give it a shot. Link is in the description. Or link is in my in the description. So yeah, with that being said, guys, it's gonna be it. Thank y'all again. Until next time, peace.